So guys, welcome again on another video on Chao Bank. So in today's video, just like I always do, I would like to place the first withdrawal, a live withdrawal, before any other thing, any other introduction and any other guidance on the video. So first of all, I will go ahead and copy my CVC code because I'm gonna need it. So the next thing is to go over to the withdrawal part. Minimum withdrawal is 50 HKD, that is 50 Hong Kong dollar. As you can see, I'm currently having 50.68 Hong Kong dollar, worth 6.44 USD and 5.77 euros. So what I have to do now is to enter the amount which I have available for me. So 60.88 68 USDT, and then the next thing is to go over to this particular place and click on the place that says next step, and then they're going to ask me for this CVC code, and then I will go and place withdrawal. And as you can see now, my withdrawal request have been successfully sent and will be processed shortly. So as you can see, the deposit of 6.44 USDT was successfully deposited on my Trust Wallet account. So this is it, and this is my live withdrawal. So let's talk about the platform that I will be discussing today. So the platform we're talking about today is none other but this particular long-term bank platform called Chao Bank. Chao Bank is proudly part of the Outstanding Global Future Corporation. Chao Bank was opened in 2022 to raise capital and expand the ecosystem of the flourishing Global Future Enterprises Group and Group Corporation. So you can read about them on their About Us. You can know more about them, read about it. You can see how many employees, bondholders, issue credits and debit card holders that they have currently. I'm also one of them also. You can also go ahead and check out everything. You can see who is the CEO and browse about it and every other thing that follows it. So once you are done, let's go over to the platform and see how it works. So it have not been a new thing for me to be showing you guys how to make money on Chao Bank. So my work is just whenever I want to make a withdrawal, just like you guys know it, I will just make a video show you guys how it works. For those of you that are kind of interested and those of you that are new to it, Chao Bank, I told you guys, it's a long-term investment platform and also a bank, and it's working just like I told you guys. We deal with long-term platforms. So this is Chao Bank. For those of you that doesn't know it, I've introduced it. You can check out my videos on about Chao Bank, how I make some monies, how I make weekly withdrawals on Chao Bank, and I make videos on it every single day. Look at it over here. As you can see, I don't have anything on my Binance account, on my Chao Bank account. So what you have to do is to first of all follow the link in the description of this video to sign up to Chao Bank, and then the next thing is for you to go ahead and verify your account. Just like as you can see, my account is verified and it's showing green. So the next thing for you to do is to go over to this bond section, and it will take you to where you have to activate bond. So in Chao Bank, the main way we earn money is by bond and also by referrals. But referral is not a must, but you need to also have a bond. So how do you have a bond? How do you buy a bond? They have the bond that is yielding for you 0.45% daily for 3 consecutive years. Maturity is going to be 3 years, and they also have the one that's here for you 0.55%. Also the maturity is 3 years. So but you need to know the difference. So for this first one, which is the one that is commonly used, you have to make sure that you select the cryptocurrency of your choice. So you can select TLC20 network to show you the actual amount in dollars you guys need to use, depending on the account you're using. For since all of us normally use cryptocurrency, I think TLC20 USDT is best for the rate. So what you have to do is to first of all know that one bond is $10.168, and it's 168 cents. So and you need minimum buy up is 10 bonds. So that 10 bond is going to cost you $101.68, which, as you can see, that is the first bond that I actually bought over here. That is this first one that I actually bought over here. That was when they were saying similar to it. So you can also check out the second bond, which will cost you 10 bonds also, but this particular one bond actually costs 508.40 USDT, that is US dollar, and it's going to cost you 5,084 USDT. So this particular common one is the one that people normally do. So next thing is for you to go ahead and click on buy bond. It will take you to where you get your wallet address to deposit the exact amount of USDT which you are told to deposit. So once you're done depositing it, the system will automatically purchase and subscribe the bond for you. So once they are done subscribing the bond for you, every single week they will accumulate whatever you get for the day, and they will supply it to your account. Once you reach minimum of 50 Hong Kong dollars, which is 50 HKD, which is 50 HKD, you will be automatically ready to withdraw. So the next thing you have to do is to do the same process that I did, and then activate your account and withdraw. You also need to input your Google Authenticator code. You have to link your account with Google Authenticator to start to safeguard your account from being logged in by another person. So you guys know how to use that one. So for you to withdraw, it's just like this. For you to refer your account, it's just like this, and other things that follows it. So you can check out other ways of earning. If you go over to this particular place, you see this particular place that says marketplace, where you will, in case you get some referrals, all you have to do is to click on this particular place that says buy per case, and then click on buy it. But I don't have enough of it, so I don't have enough case. I've been using it to be catching out, so that there are a lot of ways to make money from Chao Bank, which I've been sharing on my other videos. So you can check out other videos and see how it works. As for now, this is end of today's video on Chao Bank. You can check out their social media handles for more updates. As you can see, they are currently having 1,106 subscribers currently. So you can check out their social media handle for more updates on how to make money on Chao Bank. As for now, see you guys in my next video. Bye.